What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. As you can see right behind me, we got this nice big old box right here. So as you can tell by the title, we decided to go ahead and buy a new exhaust for the BRZ. It's about time. The exhaust, let me just give you guys a little peek of what we got rocking on right now. I don't love it. It's not really great. As you can see, the car has been sitting for a couple years, so it's looking kind of rusty. It's looking very crusty on the inside. And if you come underneath, you can see that it's completely rusty. And I've never heard of this brand, but it's right there for anybody wondering what exhaust it is. It's really loud and it doesn't sound great, and it's very drony, and you know, I don't like how it looks. It looks rusty when you're driving from behind. It looks really bad. So I went ahead and copped the MXP exhaust. I was doing a lot of research on what exhaust I wanted to go to. Decided to go with the titanium tips because I really love how the blue tips look with the white BRZ and the red taillights. So I'm really excited to finally have some blue tips on the BRZ. It's gonna look really good. The car is already up on jack stands. This exhaust actually is only held by 2 bolts and 2 nuts, and then by 4 hangers. So I sprayed all 4 hangers with DW40, and I sprayed the both bolts just to make this video move along much smoother. I copped this exhaust from, I think it's called 86 Speed, or I don't remember if they changed their name, but I'm gonna leave the website down in the description. They had the best price from where I can see, and I think they price match. So if you do find it cheaper, they will price match you. So definitely go check them out. I'm gonna leave them down linked in the description. So as you can see, this is my mid pipe, and this is the catback exhaust. Unfortunately, I totally forgot that I did have an aftermarket mid pipe. So this is not catted, so it's still gonna be catless, so it's gonna be loud either way. But hopefully the 2 big mufflers on the new exhaust kind of tones it down a little bit. Mine is gonna look a little bit more different. Mine is a 12. I don't know what size yours might be, because I used my own custom bolts and washers last time that we did this install. Once you take those bolts off, you should be able to wiggle this out a little bit. There's a donut in there that I might have to reuse. Well, maybe not. This thing looks crusty. Man, so I might have to go out and get a new gasket, because I didn't realize that the new one didn't bring a gasket. This one is all chewed up. I don't think we'll be able to reuse this. No shot. Like I said, there's 5 total. What a pain in the butt, man. What a pain in the butt. Let's get into unboxing this huge box. Look at this thing. It's massive.
That's what she said.
Let that hang kind of loosely for now. So we got the other ones. Guys what it sounds like when you're in the cabin. So I'm gonna talk about the exhaust a little bit. Personally, I really like it, man. I think this is by far the best exhaust that I've ran on a car before. By far. I mean, not that I've ran any reputable exhaust before, you know, besides the Spec D tuning and then that sketchy one that I had on the car before this. But I gotta say, I really like this exhaust. It's got a very nice deep like tone to it, you know. It doesn't sound like you're messing around, you know. It doesn't sound like you got a kiddie exhaust, you know, that you're trying to make everybody hear you and like, you know that you're coming up and you're pulling up. But it's got a nice sound to it that it lets you hear the car well. Bumps. It sounds nice. It looks beautiful, man. I'm really happy that I decided to go with the titanium tips. Everybody, you know, for those people that want to save a couple bucks, you can go with the stainless steel. It still looks really good. You can still adjust where the tip sits, which is really cool for this exhaust. You can adjust where the tip is gonna sit. So I have mine poking out just a little bit, and it looks really nice. You can get it to extend a little bit further out from the bumper. You can even push it out way further than what I have it now, but obviously I don't want to be obnoxious, so I have it out at a decent distance, if I do say so myself. It sounds really nice. There's barely any what's the word I'm looking for? Drone. Okay, that's the word I was looking for. I had the Spec D tuning, which was also titanium tips, burnt tips. And what that dude is reckless. If you guys just saw what I saw, reckless. But I also had the titanium tips, but it was so loud and it was so drony that, you know, it was just really annoying to daily drive when you're on the highway, you know, and you're constantly doing like 60, 70 miles per hour with all that drone. It got really annoying. So something like this is perfect. I'm just gonna do some pulls right here so you can hear it a little bit. As you can see, it sounds really nice. Now, mind you, I do have an aftermarket front pipe. There you go. That's what it sounds like. Sounds really nice, man, honestly. And if you want to just like get rid of the sound, you know, 2,000 RPMs, somewhere around there, you're chilling. Downshift a little bit, double clutch, of course. Should be double clutching. Let me know what exhaust you guys got going on in your cars. I'd like to hear some opinions. If anybody's running this exhaust, let me know. I'd like to know what you guys think about it. And let me know what you guys think about the video. If you think I should switch up the style a little bit. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna just close it out right here, man. If you like this hoodie right here, this was actually designed by my boy Jason. Probably my favorite photography page for cars. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. You guys want to go follow him if you want to get some really cool background pics for your whip or anything like that, or you know, if you're just looking for some really nice quality pictures of some dope cars, go check it out, show some love. And I'm just gonna close it out here. I'm gonna link everything that you saw in this video down in the description if you guys want to buy it for yourselves. Like I said, 86 speed is probably the best place to get this exhaust. They can price match it if you find it cheaper, and if not, I think they have the cheapest price, and you get free shipping. So definitely consider it. Shipping was mad fast. It got to my house in like 5 days, maybe less. So yeah, I'm just gonna close it out there. Thank you so much for watching this video, man. I do have a lot of stuff planned for the BRZ. I do have a lot of stuff planned for the Honda Rebel. If you did subscribe for that, a lot of cool stuff that I want to do on the channel. So make sure you stay tuned. Consider subscribing, and leave any suggestions, any tips, or if you just want to leave like a nice comment in the description. I mean, in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. But as always, remember to savage responsibly. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
4 in the morning, 4 in the morning. Know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent. Smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy. Balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly. Vibing out, you can find me at the telly. The drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty. Know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding. Lanes I be